Looking for an affordable fitness tracker that helps you stay active, track your health, and improve your workouts without breaking the bank? With so many options available, finding a budget-friendly fitness tracker that still delivers great features and accuracy can be tricky. In 2025, fitness trackers are more advanced than ever, offering heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, workout modes, and even smart notifications, all at an affordable price. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best cheap fitness trackers of 2025 to help you find the perfect one for your fitness journey. If you're looking for a powerful fitness tracker at an affordable price, the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 is a fantastic choice. It features a 1.75-inch AMOLED display, offering crisp visuals and easy navigation. With 24/7 heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, and sleep analysis. This tracker provides detailed insights into your health. It supports over 120 workout modes, helping you track your fitness progress with precision. Plus, with an impressive 14-day battery life, you won't have to worry about frequent charging. For an affordable, feature-packed fitness tracker, the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 is a top contender. The Fitbit Charge 6 is an excellent budget-friendly fitness tracker that comes with advanced health tracking features. With continuous heart rate monitoring, built-in GPS, and detailed sleep analysis, it provides accurate insights into your fitness progress. What makes it stand out is its ECG app for heart health monitoring, along with Google Wallet and Assistant integration, making it one of the smartest fitness trackers at this price point. The bright AMOLED display ensures easy readability, and with a 7-day battery life, it lasts through long workouts without needing a recharge. If you're looking for an affordable Fitbit with great health tracking features, the Fitbit Charge 6 is a great pick. If you need a long-lasting fitness tracker, the Huawei Band 9 delivers up to 2 weeks of battery life on a single charge. With a lightweight design and a comfortable strap, this tracker is perfect for all-day wear. It features heart rate and SpO2 monitoring, sleep tracking, and supports 96 workout modes, making it a great choice for fitness enthusiasts. The 1.47-inch AMOLED display is bright and vibrant, ensuring easy readability even in sunlight. If battery life is a top priority, the Huawei Band 9 is one of the best choices in 2025. For those who want a smartwatch experience at an affordable price, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 offers a perfect balance of fitness tracking and smart features. It comes with advanced health sensors for heart rate, ECG, and body composition analysis, making it one of the most feature-rich budget-friendly options. It supports GPS tracking, over 90 workout modes, and has a stunning Super AMOLED display. Plus, it integrates perfectly with Samsung and Android devices, giving you access to notifications, calls, and smart apps. If you want a fitness tracker with smartwatch capabilities, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is a fantastic option. If you want a super affordable fitness tracker that still offers great features, the LIVIKEY fitness tracker is a great choice. It provides step counting, heart rate monitoring, and sleep tracking, making it ideal for basic fitness tracking needs. It's water-resistant, lightweight, and has a 10-day battery life, making it perfect for daily use. While it may not have advanced GPS or AMOLED displays, it offers essential fitness tracking at an incredibly low price. For those who want a simple and affordable fitness tracker, the LIVIKEY is a great entry-level option. After testing all the top contenders, the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 stands out as the best overall budget fitness tracker of 2025. With its 120-plus workout modes, bright AMOLED display, and 14-day battery life, it offers the best balance of features and affordability. However, if you need the best health tracking, the Fitbit Charge 6 is an excellent choice. For unbeatable battery life, go for the Huawei Band 9. If you prefer a smartwatch-style tracker, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is the best pick, And if you're on a super tight budget, the LIVIKEY fitness tracker delivers great value. Which fitness tracker do you think is the best? Drop a comment below and let us know your pick.